Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design, where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. New ideas crochet emojis pattern designs collection. Beautiful and different color crochet emojis pattern ideas 2024. Stylish and cute and funny crochet emojis pattern ideas. In this video we show you the some crochet emojis pattern ideas collection. We have some unique collection of crochet emojis pattern. There are all handmade crochet emojis pattern designs collection. Beautiful and cute crochet emojis pattern. You can see the beauty of these crochet emojis pattern ideas 2024. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you.